and chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Mark here with us this morning. As you can tell, Mark's a bodybuilder, and we take care of a lot of bodybuilders and weightlifters and powerlifters and professional and amateur athletes. So I think you found us on YouTube, didn't you, Mark?
Yes, sir.
Yep. And so he's coming in here to see what the real deal's like, and this is his third treatment here. So I'll let him tell you how he's doing afterwards. Let's have you close your eyes for me, Mark, and bend your head forward and backwards, please, sir. Still a little bit kink going backwards. You feel that?
Yes.
And your head's still a little bit forward to the right. Take a look.
Right.
Yep. That's probably best from your sleeping, actually.
Yeah.
Still sleeping on your side mostly?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay. Let's go ahead and lay you on your back here. This is where I get my workout all day long, working on guys like Mark. There we go. Yes, slide it just, yeah, there you go. That should be like right on top of your hips, so push away and make sure your hips right in there. You in there good? Oh yeah, baby. That's why we call it ring dang. Feel that all the way down?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So you hit back there for a second. I'll get your neck here next. Okay, let me tilt right a little bit. There you go. Okay, tilt left a little bit. There you go, better. Come over here on your tummy next, please, sir. There you go. Left leg is short by over half an inch. And see how it gets even when I bring it up. I bet you that tightens up a little bit in your low back, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yep. That's called a positive Knockless in Deerfield test on the left. So he's got a left SI joint subluxation that we're going to be adjusting. Then I hit his sacrum on the left side, his sacrum on the right side, and then over onto his right SI joint. There's L5, there's L4, L3, L2, and there's L1. Okay, good. Excellent. That's it. Boy, you're moving all over today. That's good.
Yeah.
I think you're relaxing a little bit better. The legs are exactly even now, and this should feel a little less tight than the first one. Is there any pain there at all?
No.
Okay. And we're adjusting his cervical spine P to A here at C3, C5, and then C7 right here to restore the cervical lordotic curve. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, Mark. Beautiful day here in Houston, as you can tell, so we opened up all the blinds. It's been really hot the last few days, that's why we have them closed. There we go. Yes, sir. Now slide down this way just a little bit. And put your arms out like this. Joints, his sternoclavicular joint, and his costosternal joints. That one got his knee, his hip, and all the way up into his back. Did you feel that all the way up?
Yeah.
Yep. There you go. Good job. Okay, let's sit that face toward Joseph. Did the Dodgers play last night?
Yes, sir.
They win?
Yeah.
Did they?
6-0 or something.
Yeah.
So they put it away, didn't they?
Shut up.
Was that their, didn't they win that one?
No, not yet.
Oh, it's not over
Yeah,
yet?
It's
Still 2 games.
2-1 right
2
now.
more series. Gotta win 4.
Where are they playing next?
It's gonna be still in LA.
They're still in LA? There we go. There we go. Okay, let's come over here in front of the mirror now, please, sir. Okay, let's flex your head forward and backwards. Did Toronto get beat last night?
No, actually they won.
Did they? I kind of let them hang in there, huh? There we go. Okay. Now let's have you flex your head forward and then backwards for me. Yep, that's better. Take a look in the mirror now. Right down the middle everywhere. Very good. So Mark, what would you tell our YouTube subscribers about your 3 experiences here so far?
It's very good. I've tried many chiropractors and he's one of the best.
Well, thank you very much for sharing your treatment
Yes,
with
sir.
everybody today. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all next time.